Okay guys, so taking a look at my hitch that I ordered to pull my fifth wheel camper out of the shop with. Actually this is two kits. This is not a complete kit. I think you can order it as a kit, but I ordered two pieces. The first piece is the actual frame kit that bolts to the frame of the truck, and this one is for a I believe it's 2001 to 2010 Silverado 2500, 3500. This should be a complete bolt-on kit. I think maybe you have to drill this one hole right here on the front. It's a 1/2-inch hole, I believe. But otherwise they use these two big holes, and it's almost just a bolt-on deal. That side anyway, then you get this big bag of hardware. You get all your spacers and everything. And this is Curt 16418, I guess is the part number on that. So those look good, guys. I got those and everything looks good. I actually got these a few days ago, but I was sick and I couldn't open them up. The problem I'm having is, you can see here, this is a rail, one of the rails. Now I ordered a kit for universal rails, and you can see there's only one here, and there's only one in the box. This is supposed to be a set of two rails. Now I ordered these from Amazon. I'll give you guys links. And there was a scratch and dent deal where you could save $7-8 or something on the set. So I figured, what the heck, you know, I don't mind. There were supposed to be some scuffs on the top side or something. Actually, I don't see any scuffs on this at all. Maybe the one that they didn't send had the scuffs on it. I don't know. But kind of disappointed, a little aggravated, because there's no button to contact them to tell them that I only got one rail. All there is a return button, so I guess I'm gonna just return this. And I've got another set ordered. I actually ordered that a little bit ago. Hopefully it'll be here by the end of the week, but it's really got me messed up because I was gonna get these installed and as soon as I got them and get the trailer out, but now I gotta wait another week here to get this installed, get these new parts. But a little aggravated with Amazon about that I can't just call them. There's no number or anything, so it's just really aggravating. And then I gotta wait for my refund for them to get this rail back, and there's really no need for that. All I need is one more rail sent. They must have it there because they, you know, it was, this is a kit. It's not a one-piece deal. This is about 12 pounds. The total weight for the kit is supposed to be like 30-some pounds. So that tells me that this is only 12 pounds, that for sure there should have been another rail in there. Also looked it up online to see what comes with that kit. And it's supposed to be two rails. It's like $86 for two rails. I thought maybe I messed up and it was per one. 16204, guys. 16204 is the part number for this rail kit, universal rail kit. This is the carbide black, which is like a satin, kind of like a rough, maybe a little bit of a rough texture to it. And there is another rail kit. It's the exact same thing, and it's gloss black. I was kind of confused because there was two different part numbers, 2 different rail kits, and they're both supposed to work with this mounting kit. I didn't really understand why there was 2, but after doing some more checking, it's just the finish that's different. The carbide black is, there it is, and then the other rail kit is gloss black. I guess this carbide black matches some of their new hitches. They're making them, instead of the gloss black, they're making them in this color, but it don't really matter. But anyway, guys, as soon as I get my right rail kit, I can get this installed on the truck, hopefully. And like I said, it's going on the 2004 Duramax. I'm actually going to bolt this on without the bed for now. Should be strong enough just to move it around the parking lot here, and move it in and out of the shop, or move it to the shop or whatever. But that's just what I'm just going to bolt it on without the bed for now. And I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing with that truck yet, so I don't really want to install the bed and drill the holes and do all the work, and then the bed's just going to be junked. So anyway, guys, there's some more stuff I got, some aggravation from Amazon. I would not, when Amazon has that cheaper scratch and dent stuff, guys, unless you got time to waste, I wouldn't do that. I've done it before, and I've got pretty much new products. They always say there's some type of damage or something, but I've done it a few times, and I've always gotten like new stuff. This time it kind of bit me in the butt, but and I probably didn't save enough to make it even worth it. But anyway, guys, got my half of my hitch kit, and as soon as I get the rails, we'll continue on with this. But anyway, guys, I guess I'll see you.